Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get
The
wrenching.
Honda J32 engine was released in 1998, replacing the series of motors B. High technical characteristics and reliability allowed the motor to last in the market of power units until today. Technical characteristics. Based on the J30A, a motor with a working volume of 3.2 litres was developed, which was called J32A. In its development, a 6-cylinder block J30 was taken as a basis, in which the cylinder diameter was increased to 89 mm. The height of the cylinder block did not change and remained at 235 mm. The length of connecting rods is still 162 mm, and the piston height is 30 mm. Due to the larger diameter cylinders, it was possible to get an additional 200 cubic centimeters of working volume. Along with the increase in volume, the weight of the engine was slightly reduced. The cylinder heads still use the VTEC system. They are the same single shaft with 4 valves per cylinder, but the diameter of the exhaust valves is increased to 30 mm, intake valves 34 mm. It also uses its own intake and exhaust manifolds. The timing belt is used in the timing drive, which must be changed every 90,000 kilometers. Every 40 to 50,000 kilometers it is necessary to adjust the valves. Clearances for a cold engine are as follows: intake 0.2 to 0.24 mm, exhaust 0.28 to 0.32 mm. Technical characteristics of the motor J32. Parameter name characteristic engine brand J32 years of production 1998 to 2008 volume 3,206 cubic centimeters, power 225, 5600, 260, 6100, 270, 6200 number of cylinders 6 number of valves 24 piston diameter 89 fuel consumption 11.0 Amount of oil in the engine 4.4 liters recommended oil for use 5W20, Type S, 5W30, Type S, 5W35W 4010W, 40 resource 300 plus. 1000 km modifications. Like almost all Honda motors, the J32 has several modifications, which were actively used and applied. Let's consider the main ones. J32A1. The basic version, the compression ratio is 9.8, and VTEC is included from 3500 RPM. Power is 225 horsepower at 5500 RPM, torque 264 Nm at 4800 RPM. J32A1 was installed in Honda Inspire, Acura TL and Acura CL. J32A2. Motor with pistons under compression ratio of 10.5, with improved head blowing. J32A Type S has more evil camshafts. The most evil of all J series, VTEC, is activated at 4800 RPM. It also has its own 2-stage intake manifold, activated at 3800 RPM, and a sportier exhaust. Power output is 260 horsepower at 6100 RPM. Torque is 314 Nm at 3500 RPM. It was used in Acura CL Type S and TL Type S. J32A3, analog of J32A2 with compression ratio of 11. 2-stage manifold, switching at 4000 RPM, with cold air intake, with a new exhaust manifold and its own exhaust system. VTEC system engages at 4700 RPM. Found on the 3rd generation Acura TL. Power 270 horsepower at 6200 RPM. Torque 323 Nm at 5000 RPM. Maintenance. Maintenance of the powertrain should be carried out every 15,000 kilometers, but as for any engine, it is recommended to reduce the period by 1.5 times to increase the life of the motor. To prevent other malfunctions, it is recommended to make a diagnosis of the electronic engine control unit for errors during each maintenance. Faults and repairs. As in any power unit, the J32 has its own faults typical for it. So, the main ones are as follows: oil leakage through VCM gaskets. This is a very popular problem on Honda's Pilot. If you find it in time, it is worth buying a set of gaskets and replacing them. Wear of camshaft cams on J32Z. It happens if in time, every 45,000 kilometers, do not adjust valve clearances and comes after 100,000 kilometers. The characteristic metallic sound speaks about it, and the problem is solved by replacing the camshaft. Otherwise, everything is more or less normal. The main thing is to service in time, pour good oil, good gasoline, and everything will drive long and reliably. Honda J32 engine, Honda J32 engine, Honda J32 engine. In conclusion, the Honda J32 engine stands out as a remarkable piece of engineering, combining performance, reliability, and efficiency. Its smooth power delivery and robust design have made it a favorite among enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Whether you're considering it for a project car or simply appreciate its engineering excellence, the J32 engine exemplifies Honda's commitment to innovation and quality. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained valuable insights into this impressive engine.